Okay, I'm going to keep this super short because nobody needs a lot of introductions for this. Basically today I'm going to try to fix a bumper guard that had a crack in it, and you can see the cracks here. And what I did is I taped it to keep it level, and then I put a series of zip ties in it to keep the crack as tight as possible. And after that, I took a Dremel and I ground out the crack from the back so that I can solder it. And basically what I'm using for solder is a standard black zip tie and a soldering iron. If the weld that you're making is somewhere where it's not going to be seen, it is not critical that the weld is pretty but solid and holds. So this is as good as I got it with the soldering gun, and it is closed and staying closed.